Sorry. I forgot I was streaming.
Tatum says it
Bro,
must be a depiction of
I'm
a
sad
blockchain
now.
developer.
Depiction of a blockchain developer.
Tatum says therefore we only need to
I'll fix this
determine why
later.
it is.
Therefore, we only need to. Oh. Depiction of a blockchain. Blockchain. Isn't that. Is that related to crypto? Hold on a second. What's the time at right now? Oh, okay.
Tatum says it is.
Why? Is that what people use Rust for? For blockchain? Is that a stereotype?
Tatum says I've never done anything blockchain related, unfortunately.
Hmm. I barely understand how that all works anyway, so it's like a complicated system.
Tatum says to say it is a stereotype would not quite be exact.
Or just, I guess, associate it with. Like, blockchain developers are just associated with Rust. That's probably the better way to say that.
Tatum says all the positions I've seen for a Rust dev were positions
Oh,
of a
that's why.
blockchain dev.
I see. So that's what that was about. It's like, oh, they're just like mining Bitcoin or something. That was the joke. I get it. I see. Or I think so. Um. Okay. Back to what I was doing. First two digits. Is this just supposed to return the entire string? Like. Oh, no, I forgot. The last four digits. That's right. But why is that, I don't know. I thought that was a task 3. Maybe am I crazy? I thought they said that for task 3 though. Oh, it's part of task 1. It's just like subtask. Okay. This one's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's like 8 and 4. Last 4 digits. Um, oh wait, oops, last 4 digits. Okay. I feel like this will be like, oh wait, damn it. I feel like this will be really fast, so. Um,
Civitatum says routines are guaranteed to be,
Analyze.
an assumption one can never make.
Dots. Item 3.
Civitatum says did it say routines? I must have misread.
Oh. All the places routines are guaranteed to be. Oh wait, what are you talking about? SVQ? Sad. Oh, the problem description.
Civitatum
Where was
says
I?
I'm referring to the problem description.
What page? What page was that? Where did that happen? Did it say like here? Or was it down here? Or was it when I was over here? Like looking at this? Um, wait a second. Looks like Bull is fake. This New York is fake. Local number. Wait, it takes a tuple?
Civitatum says it was an attempt to make a joke.
Oh, sorry. I'm dumb. Can you explain the joke? I'm curious. Um,
Civitatum says I was just thinking what would be the correct way to handle an invalid phone number.
correct way to handle an invalid phone number. Oh. What are routines? Phone number info. Wait, did I delete something from this, or was this already like this? This seems weird. This line. Uh. Oh wait, you would do this. Wait. Routines refer to the methods you write as a part of the solution.
Civitatum says routines refer to the methods you write as a part of the solution.
Well, yeah. Why is the joke that it's a bad way to handle phone numbers? Oh, they said that those are supplies with valid.
Civitatum says they said that those are supplies with valid arguments.
Those are supplies with valid arguments. Oh, you mean like the cases they give you are very limited? Was there like originally a comma here? Okay, no, I don't think there was actually. Okay, well this shouldn't be here. Here.
Civitatum says the test cases. Yeah.
Oh, got you. Wait, what is this? I thought for a second this was one of the inputs, so I thought like, oh, there needs to be a comma here, because this... Or it's only one thing called phone number info. Oh! Because this is just what you do with a tuple. I get it. Wait, this is still weirdo, but yeah. A tuple that has these three things. Okay. So then... Okay. So, do you think you use return? Return... Okay, phone number... Because that's its name. .info, its actual name. Wait, but then there's... Oh wait, that's the name of the method. Dot is fake. Oh wait. Oh yeah. Oh wait, no. Wait. I'm supposed to use this one though. This analyze. So then analyze. This is kind of confusing. But it only takes a string. Okay. Analyze phone number info dot local number. I think that's where the string is. So you do this dot is fake. No. Does not contain a definition for local number. Oh. Okay. Capitalization and stuff. Wait, why is this in camel case? But why is this? Oh, because it's part of the tuple? Then it's like not camel case? What? Okay. Well, at least it... Well, it's wrong, but at least it ran. What is happening? Analyze. But is fake would have been a bowl. An X in length must refer to a location within the string. What? Wait, Scamel case is real.
Civitatum says they name local variables in Scamel case and tuple elements in Pascal case, I guess.
Oh, you mean camel case. Right? But yeah, I guess they do name these. Ah, gotcha.
Civitatum says yes.
Phone number info. But this would have been... This should be a string. And then... This is returning a tuple, so then... Why can't I just... Wait, because this isn't a string. Okay. Wait. Yeah, why can't I just access it with this fake? Index length must refer to a location of which string. Parameter length? Wait. Oh, wait. Let me see if I can figure this out. Phone number info is a tuple. I want a string. Okay, time to do the thing that programmers are supposed to do. And you just copy and paste in and get very lost. What is this? Um, Dang, I thought it would be, the second part would be really easy. What? Substring? But I'm not doing anything with the substring. Well, but I guess their thing's different. Index and link.
Civitatum says modern programmers ask chat feels dank mad.
Should I? Yeah, probably better than Google. Or at least more convenient to get like a first answer from. So this is supposed to, well, this one should be evaluated true. What is it doing? It's putting phone number that is fake. Oh my god, so many things are like in parentheses, too much. Phone number dot analyze. What is this?
Superbrain
This
says
is their
I
thing, it
used
doesn't
chat
matter.
to find the correct type of package I was looking for an interactive map tool, instead of searching Google with keywords.
Yeah, but ChatGPT doesn't have an incognito mode, does it? That could just open like a completely new window too, but still. It's been a while since I used ChatGPT in my browser, but I remember, I think it was like slow. Like it made everything like really laggy. Is fake. What even is this showing? Phone number dot is fake. But this is the name of the. Oh, it's called phone number dot is fake. That's not what this says. Am I supposed to edit this and like write phone number dot is fake here?
Superbrain says yes, I also wouldn't want to open that on stream. The absolute state of my history there. Not even weird stuff, just dumb queries.
I see. Yeah, mine's full of just dumb, super dumb queries. Oh my god, no, I accidentally pinned again.
Civitatum says I open it on stream and show my dumb queries to the world. Superbrain says like opening the history in the calculator app 7 asterisk 8. Did I really need a calculator for
yeah.
that?
Then that's when you can just lie and be like, well, I thought my calculator was buggy, so I was just like making sure it can do basic arithmetic. Implement the static phone number that
Superbrain
is
says
fake
oh
method.
of course.
Am I supposed to go phone number? How do I? Phone number dot. Wait, this is phone number info. No way I'm supposed to do this. That'd be crazy.
Civitatum says you should use Python CLI for that SMH.
What is Python CLI? Oh! Oh, you're just talking to Superbrain, aren't you? Oh wait,
Superbrain says LUL.
Wait, well my thingy did not work. Maybe I'll just comment what I was trying to do. Goes back. And just make sure it doesn't give like a syntax error. Okay. Maybe I'll just comment this out. And keep it as an example of my failures. What if I just like can't do it in one line or something? But then, I don't know. It's supposed to be a bool. String phone number. But wait a second, analyze isn't a... Oh wait, no it is. No. But analyze isn't a tuple. Return. Well, yeah, it is, because it's returning these three things, so it is a tuple. Like, it returns a tuple. Wait, what happens if I print things? Will it do it? Or wait. Oh yeah. If I put a print statement, does it do anything if it's in a method? Okay. What do you do in C#? Is it like system? Ah. Oh, console.writeline. I'll do that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it can do it. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Put this in here. One, two, three, four. Okay, I thought it was just gonna be an entire phone number. Local number is the first four numbers. I see. Oh. Yeah. So I can't reuse this. I think I was supposed to, but the way I did this, I need a full phone number string. Yeah, I thought I was supposed to like reuse this, but I don't think I'm supposed to. I don't think that was the intent. That's why it says local number. Print statements are so helpful. Okay, so then not any of this. I still don't really understand what this failure is about though, but whatever. But wait, local number is... What is local number? There's 4... That's the last 4 digits. I'm gonna put it back. But to see if it's fake, we need the first... Well, we need the middle 3 digits. But it's not giving us the middle 3 digits, so how do you even know? What is this supposed to do? Oh, I think I'm supposed to ignore that. Okay, never. Analyze phone. Phone number? Maybe I'll just keep this actually. Wait. No, whatever. I can't just use it. This New York is fake. Strong number. Oh wait, maybe they just wanted this all along. Info. Wow, okay, that's it. That wasn't even that complicated, but they just it was confusing. That phone number info is just phone number. Like it's the exact same thing. But they didn't like explain what this is. Anyway. I feel like that was only confusing because they didn't explain this well. Like what they were doing. Like what values they were like passing you. That was hard. Switch to map. Maybe I'll do all 3 of these. Because I spent a long time on that. The exorcism thing. Temporary innovation. Geographers use person no sea level. No sea level. That's all this is. The level of difficulty of like this exercise compared to what I was doing yesterday in the same grade level is kind of crazy. What's really something? Like what I just did?
Superbrain says this really is something.
Okay. Oh wait, choose all that apply. Yeah. This is insane. Why are they giving this? I don't get this. Oh wait. Wait, what did I just do? Oh, that's negative C. Oopsie.
Superbrain says seems really easy.
Wait, no,
well,
it's not.
Maybe not.
Oh, you're supposed to reverse it because this is called C. I was thinking of this as negative. Never mind. C is like. Okay, never mind. It started out and then it's like, oh well, never mind. Negative B would be here, so you're supposed to flip them around. I see. Negative A goes here. Wait. However far that is. Negative C. And this one? Do it again. Negative R, 1, 2, 3, 4. Choose all to apply, negative R. There's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, equals. I thought they said greater than. One answer. Well, not C. Point E. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Was the opposite of. Okay, I was like, just following was correct. C less than B. Why is my TTS broken? Oh, it's been
Superbrain
oh,
says
never
so.
mind.
I
It's
just
just slow.
solved a different problem and the answer is 9/8. I'm very happy. It's more than 1, and it's even rational.
Oh, nice,
So
Superbrain.
I can use an approximation that speeds up my code.
Cool. Wait, what's more than 1? Inequalities is correct. C.
Superbrain says 9/8.
9 aces. Oh, that's what. Oh, I'm dumb. I see what you mean. I thought there was like more than one problem you solved or something. C is less than negative A. Yeah. I got it lagged for a second because the confetti.
Superbrain says, and I needed to prove it is, else my code would assume some far away roads are further away than they really are.
Oh. To prove it is. Needed to prove that it's more than one? Oh. Faraway roads.
Superbrain says yes indeed.
Let me see. Expressions. Okay, I genuinely don't know what makes something an expression or not an expression. Maybe sad. That's an inequality. This is an expression. This is an expression. So no equal signs allowed? Okay. Oh yeah, because equation, equal sign. Let's see. Oh, I'm supposed to drag, I guess. Inequality.
Superbrain says yeah no equals.
Hmm.
Not sure if -3 is an expression. It's really just an element of a set.
Yeah. Nice. So... Cool. How close am I? Pretty close to finishing all of 6th grade, so I don't have to think about 6th grade anymore. It's sad that for 7th and 8th grade they do the same thing. There's like 4 courses in total. So there's the regular 7th grade course. There's the Eureka, what is it called? Like Foundations course. And there's the Eureka, like normal Eureka 7th grade course. And then there's the 7th grade Illustrated Mathematics course. $22 problems. Wow. I'm not going to do all 22. I feel like that's a lot. Go to the doctor's annual checkup. All of the roommates compare their weights to the previous year. Which roommate had the greatest change in weight? It's just 22 problems,
Superbrain
yeah.
says it's just 22 problems, you can do it.
I mean, usually when they give this many problems in a unit test, they're usually pretty easy. So, I'm just gonna... Yeah. When they give like a small amount of problems, like 10 problems, like the one I was stuck on yesterday for a long time, it was only 10 problems. So I just kept getting the ones wrong at the end. So those ones are actually like more devious. When there's like a deceptively small amount of problems. It's like, oh no. I bet on the calculus unit test, they're gonna give you like one problem, and it's like really hard.
Superbrain says I remember a set of some elusive 26 problems.
Oh yeah. I did go. There was something like that where I was like, oh yeah. Let's not speak of that. Geographer system. Oh, this again. 6 meters. One, two, three. You would think, well, this is the same thing as last time. You would think they would at least like shuffle the answers, even if the answers are all the same. You think they could like shuffle them, or something. Just saying. I will say I always forget the labels for the quadrants, like that you do it counterclockwise, like that's counterintuitive to go 1, 2, 3, 4 instead of like 1, 2, 3, 4. But I don't know who invented the system. I don't like it. -1, 5. There is okay. Okay.
Superbrain says there is a good reason for it.
Well, I guess just because these ones like I'm using my own explanation. These ones are the normal ones. Is this normal?
Superbrain says it has to do with rotations in the complex plane.
Okay, of course, the complex plane. Here's -5 on the coordinate plane. Quadrant 2. I pray that the last part, the last unit of this is not going to be hard. And it'll be a breeze. The easiest way to describe rotation goes through the quadrants in that order.
Superbrain says basically the easiest way to describe rotations goes through the quadrants in that order.
Okay. Guess that's fair enough. Just grab the planes following over the vertices of the rectangle. AB. I used to stream. The first thing I ever started streaming was Duolingo. And there were like, if I remember, because the questions were so monotonous. Because they ask you the same thing over and over again. Like the same simple sentences. And there were a few times where I was really close to falling asleep, or I would fall asleep for like a fraction of a second, and I was like, oh no. I hope that doesn't happen. X coordinate of 6. Oh, it's hospital. The bank is.
Superbrain says the bank is next to the library.
No, stop! You're triggering my trauma. Traumatic. I'm gonna have a breakdown. A mental breakdown. The coordinates of a rectangle. -6, 6. You know.
Superbrain says, "Oh no."
I'm kind of bored, so I'm gonna slightly, just for a second, go back to Exercism and just look at what's coming up. So I did this C# thing. So the next one I'm gonna do, when I'm done with this stupid, well, this easy unit test, I should be grateful. What am I saying? I should be grateful. I'll do Python next. I mean, I'll switch back to this for maximum confusion with syntax. And I'm kind of wondering when do tuples show up here? Do I get, oh, all the way down here. Okay. Wait, this isn't like that many things. Is this bad? Like, look how many things there are in the tree. But for C#, it's like 5, the tree is like 5 times this length. Does that mean it just like doesn't teach very much Python? Guess I'm a lot. Like, I'm sure Python has like a lot of stuff. Like in reality. It does.
Superbrain says there is some advantage to learning various things at once.
And it keeps me constantly.
It keeps your brain working hard.
Yeah, constantly questioning myself. Huh. Have you ever done LeetCode? Do you like LeetCode? This is the only site I've ever used with like coding problem. Missing some. Okay.
Superbrain says that tree is missing some higher concepts like ABC.
That's good to know. Because I thought so. I'm sure there's lots of features that aren't here. The questions I've been going through, they're not actually supposed to be hard, even though I get stuck because I just don't know what I'm doing. They're supposed to be, each of these are tutorials, actually. And then the ones that are locked are actually supposed to be like challenging. Not aware of that. Wait, aware of what? Sorry, I forgot what we were talking about when you sent that message. I put the coordinate on a rectangle, negative 6, 6. Oh yeah. Oh, I have to put the negative. Okay. I have to put the.
Superbrain says LeetCode.
Oh. Oh, you haven't heard of LeetCode? Negative 6, 1. 1, 6. Oh, it has a perimeter of 30. So then 3, 4,
Superbrain
5,
says
10,
I learned my programming stuff through uni.
20. So it has to be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Over here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 20. This is. Yeah, 30. Damn it. What did I do wrong? Oh, wait. Damn. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Wait, that should add up to 30. Wait, did I just not put the dot? 1, 6, negative 6, 6. What? Negative 1. That's what I did, right? Corrupt, there you are! Oh my god, it was... Wait, you're not actually corrupt. Hey, fake corrupt, because there's no 7, 7, 7, and 7, 7.
Corrupt Converter says where was the stream announcement in Discord?
I posted it! Didn't I? Did I not post it? I posted it. I literally... Did I not? No, I did. I must have, right? I always do. I didn't push this. I wrote the whole message. I didn't push the send button. That's where I was like, where's Corrupt? I didn't push the send button. Just like that one time when I was streaming, but I actually wasn't because I forgot to push start stream. I just did that again. Good. Great. Good. Corrupt! Look what I did by myself. I did it all by myself. Look at this. I literally didn't have any help. Skill issue, I know. But you know what's not a skill issue? Okay.
Converter says skill
Wait,
issue.
let me show off. Look what I did. I did this. Oh wait, I don't know. I don't know. Well, I did it. I was kind of stuck here for a while because I didn't understand the instructions. But that's a separate issue. I did this. I solved this one. Yay! It was easier than the log analysis. That's all. Tuples. And I was prepared for it because you actually told me what tuples were that day. Remember, like you introduced. Well, you guys like had a conversation and you introduced me to tuples, so I was already prepared to go into tuples to learn about tuples. That was fun. But yeah, you're a fake corrupt because the real corrupt would have entered with 7, 7, 7.
Corrupt Converter says that
The
syntax doesn't
syntax?
exist in the version I'm familiar with.
Oh, what does yours do? Wait, which one do you use? Is this like an old version of C Sharp? Oh. But you've seen this syntax, right? Yeah. Why is my rectangle wrong? This is stupid. -6, 6, 1. This is 1 is over here. I get it now. That's why you were saying. That's why you wrote -16, Super Brain, and I just got it now, and you sent -16 like forever ago, and I didn't understand. Okay. Skill issue? Wait, were you thinking to yourself, Super Brain, when will she notice?
Says yeah.
Is that what you were thinking? You're like, when will they notice that I actually told them what was wrong? I did notice eventually. It just took a long time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14. Sigh.
Super Brain says no, oh no, you were distracted. It's fine.
Oh yeah, but I wasn't that. I was more distracted by the rectangle because it was like after you sent -16, it was like 30 seconds later is when corrupt came in, so I had a good amount of time to process what you sent, but I didn't process it for a long time. I don't know. When you said -1, I don't know. I don't know what happened. When you said -16, I thought I was like, oh, I interpreted that message. Like, I do have -16, so I'm right. But that's not what it said when it 16. I see. So this should be 8 then. Like 8 high. Damn it, I have to restart this. I'm sad. Wait, I don't want a half. I have a box 1, 2. Damn it, I almost made it halfway. Kendra is... Wait, Kendra and Joe. Oh, yeah, you're back. Ah, got you.
Corrupt Converter says I'm back. I had to get something.
But yeah. Corrupt. But wait, is this... Do you think this is like an older version of C Sharp then? Because you said the syntax was different. But you've seen this syntax before, right? Whatever it is. Well, for this syntax for tuples. Oh, also... Oh, no, that's a newer... Oh, newer. Oh,
Corrupt Converter says no, that's a newer version.
Oh, cool. But one of the things you missed, Corrupt. Okay, it is my fault though, because I thought I sent a message that I didn't send. I'll send it now. Why not? I already have it typed out. Why not hit send on the message I didn't send? There, I just sent it. Yay. But what was I gonna say? I was gonna say something about this. Damn it. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say... What was I gonna say? Good job, Sarybot.
Mazur 1 case.
Sorry, I'm muting TTS for a second because it's about to read out the spam bot's message and I don't want it to be read. I don't think I've seen that. I believe there's tuple syntax. Oh! You're using... Oh, that one? That .NET? Yeah, tuple syntax is cool. Well, kind of. It's weird. Line 17. Yeah, what about this line? Oh, wait, let me turn my TTS back on. Oh, I remember what I was gonna say. So corrupt. If you were here at the beginning of the stream when I was doing this, I wasn't putting any semicolons anywhere, and I wasn't putting any of the types because I thought I was doing Python. Like
Corrupt
Python
Converter
is.
says that'd be a syntax error in the versions I'm familiar with.
Oh, okay. But you have tuples in your versions, right? That's interesting. They changed this. Well. Oh, okay, just different syntax. That's.
Corrupt Converter says, oh yeah, that doesn't work in C.
I see. The answer was basically no.
Corrupt Converter says, I believe I checked and the answer was basically no.
Oh, okay, so no tuples for you. No tuples. Oh, you would just have to, I see, make them.
Corrupt Converter says, like, if you wanted tuples, you needed to make them yourself.
Got you. Kendra. Okay, but I have to redo this again. Also, this is what you get for being there with the streamer.
Corrupt Converter says,
fine,
also,
I won't
this
mute
is
it.
what you get
This
for
is what I
being late
get.
with
This
the
is what I
stream
get.
alert.
This is what I
Backhand
get.
index pointing down medium dark skin tone backhand 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 index pointing down medium dark skin tone backhand
I know.
medium dark skin tone.
Well, wait. You know what would be a cool feature for a TTS? If it. Oh wait, but that sounds hard. But if it could detect a repetitive, you know, like series of strings, like if it just detects repetition, it slowly speeds up. Until the message is over, I mean, you know. Or until the repetition stops. That'd be kind of cool. Wait, no, D was supposed to be over here. D is 2-5, C is 4-5. C. 8x2, you're good. I'm doing things so slow, the slow way. D and C are...
Superbrain says, sounds like a fun coding project.
It does. It does sound fun. It'd be fun to make a Twitch bot. I would like to do something fun like that one day. Make something fun that can give, like, let viewers, like, play games with each other and stuff. And just look at the corner. Yeah. But I just feel like if I...
Converter says, I skip the graphing part of this and just look at the coordinates.
Yeah. Actually, I probably could just have done that. I just feel like if I did that, like, I'm gonna, like, screw up some... I don't know. I'm just gonna, like, mess up somehow. You know?
Corrupt Converter says, I look at the two different x coordinates and the two different y coordinates.
Yeah, that's what I would need to do. But, I don't know. I feel like I would just... Wait, you said 8 by... Oh, wait. Wait, perimeter. So, yeah, 20. Yeah.
Corrupt Converter says answer should be 20.
Yes. No. At least, look how much, like, significantly easier this is than what I was doing yesterday with the... Remember the word problem with the pygmy hippo? I'm just saying, like, Like, this don't make no sense. Oh, that was close.
Corrupt converter says the two x coordinates are 2, 4 and the two y coordinates are -3, 5. Differences are 2 and 8, quicker to do if we know it's a rectangle.
Oh. I see. But what if it's... Why would they do that to a sixth grader? It'd be so...
What if it is a complex quadrilateral?
No.
Because they switched 2 of the corners.
That'd be so mean. Like, imagine actually doing that to a sixth grader. Like, that is just bullying and harassment, if you ask me. Like, that's horrible. It's
Corrupt
horrible.
converter says true.
Not true. What's the heck? Wait, should we... like this. That's changing weight. Where is...
Corrupt converter says okay, so complex, you mean I right?
Oh, I guess you're asking Super Brain. Wait. Doesn't it say the same thing? Oh, wait, that one says above. Never mind.
Corrupt converter says plot this rectangle with complex x and y coordinates. What's all? Superbrain says at corrupt converter LUL.
Speaking of complex stuff, Superbrain told me that, like, complex shapes or something, I don't know, complex numbers or something, rotation is why these quadrants are numbered in this annoying way. Yes. Next coordinate is 0.957.
Corrupt converter says oh that makes sense sure.
Oh, choose one. That was close. I was going to do Python, but now I want to do more C#. Now that you're around, Corrupt. When I'm done with this unit test. You and I have seen. Oh, Yen.
Corrupt converter says C.
Sharp is greater than Python. Yes. Look at this. Hold on. Look at this. Wait, let me get to it. Look what they have. Here. Where is it? Is this... well, this is assembly, right? I don't really know what the 8664 means.
To compile C.
To get anything done. Yes. Yeah, look at this. Is this... Wait, this is assembly, right?
Says, look at this, look at this, look at this.
The x86 part, I mean, it's still assembly, right? Well, this is what you... Okay, assembly. What's the 60...
Superbrain says yes.
I wonder what the 64, 86 to 64 mean. Looks like. Yes.
Corrupt Converter says yes, looks like.
Alright, I bet all these will be like insanely hard. They don't even have a learning track. That's not good. It's just practice, is it? So it's just gonna be... it's just gonna be very difficult.
Corrupt Converter says you could make C.
Portably executable. Let's Python. Oh, I see. To the CPU.
Superbrain says x86 and x64 refer to the CPU.
Oh,
old
new ones
CPUs are of the type x86 and new ones of the type x64. x64 has some larger registers and probably some other cool stuff.
Compilers comes prepackaged with Windows. Oh. Greater than... Oh. Oh, 32-bit and 64.
Oh. Rightward arrow 32-bit. x64 rightward arrow 64-bit.
Thank you. I wonder why the 86 one becomes 32 while the 64 is just like stays 64. Like 64, x64 to 64-bit. This will probably be like really hard. Anyway, what are they doing? This. Bigger change to the amount of money in their bank account. Oh, okay, something floating point architecture or something.
Converter says something floating point architecture or something.
Got you. That's interesting. Oh wait, bigger change.
Superbrain says I knew the answer to that once.
Oh cool, Superbrains.
Something to do with the number x86 being more important to the most recent change they made YAI back when.
Oh. Huh. Oh, C. D. Wait, I'm gonna make sure I didn't make a stupid mistake.
Superbrain says an x64 is called that because 64-bit is pretty pog, so they used that as the most important number.
Oh, that's why. They just pick whatever the most pog number is at the time. Take that number. I like it.
Corrupt Converter says I like Intel assembly syntax better than the AT.
There's different types of assembly syntax. What? Yeah, D.
Corrupt Converter says yeah, one of them is ugly and requires you to type a bunch of special
symbols.
Oh,
it's ugly, like, no good reason. Got you. So it ends up looking like when you deleted all the font from your school computer, or you like replaced it with, yeah, no, what? Yeah, you just deleted it all, so then it just displayed like, yeah. Ooh, I should subscribe.
Says I know Retro Game Mechanics Explained likes to talk about assembly for old consoles.
Yeah, I should subscribe to that channel. Oh, wait, nope. Open the wrong app. Retro Game Mechanics Explained. Am I subscribed? Let's find out. Oh, I'm not. Okay, well, I'm subscribing now.
Corrupt Converter says but it's just more yucky to look at and probably learn too than the Intel syntax is.
Isn't assembly turned into machine code? The machine code's like the lowest level. 1-to-1. Oh, okay, I see.
Corrupt Converter says machine code and assembly are 1:1.
It's just that the assembly is like readable. Right? I see it.
Corrupt Converter says they're different but they're 1:1.
Wait, which one was which? 18 South Dakota. Hey, look! This question's about Germany, Superbrain. Recommended maximum speed. Is this true? Is it 130 kilometers per hour?
Corrupt Converter says if it was plain text and not just raw binary hex codes or something, then yes, probably assembly.
That's, you're so mean to me, Corrupt.
Converter says, hey,
but
look,
it's cool.
You German. This is about Germany, you German.
Dude. Bro, no, it's so mean. God. $130. Oh, a suggestion. I wonder what this is in miles per hour. I'm just gonna ask Google, because I don't know what kilometers is to miles. Let's see, this is fast. Wow, that's really fast. That's like a lot faster than the US, where it's like 65. In the US, scary fast. It's okay. Any speed slower than the recommended maximum. Wait. Any speed slower. No picture. Choose pausing numbers. I would cry if I got this wrong.
Superbrain says my Ford Fiesta can go up to 218 down the A3 and that's on the lower end of maximum speed. Smiley
for
face.
allowing
I quite like the German Autobahn for
oh
allowing such silly behavior.
Oh my god.
Corrupt Converter says the maximum is about 299,792 kilometers per hour.
Wow, I'm not visiting anytime soon. The law. No.
Superbrain says that's basically the law in Germany yet.
I did not know about this.
Corrupt Converter says, that's speed of light give or take BTW.
Plants. Rose, each row has the same number of tomato plants, each row has the same number of rhubarb plants. Wait. Well, at least I got a calculator. Is this one of those ones where you have to use prime factorization or just factorization or whatever?
Superbrain says if you can control your
rows.
car and pose no imminent threat to anyone or anything around you, you may accelerate.
Oh! Unlimitedly? You can just keep accelerating? As much as you want, as long as you don't... Wow. That's the law? Yeah. Probably
Superbrain
not.
says not sure if you could control a car going hypersonic, so that might be a soft cap.
Each row.
Superbrain says of course there are sections with lower limits.
I see. Well, the limits at all. Okay. This is very concerning. Oh wait, you just need to... Okay. 9. 8, 64. I think I'm supposed to do it this way.
Corrupt Converter says average car speed in a densely populated area in Germany is 200 kilometers per hour.
Why do I feel like that's actually accurate? Like you're not even making that up right now. Dang. It's supposed to be 9. But,
Corrupt Converter says nobody dies though because they're just better at driving.
Just better at driving. Well, that's good. Flash your lights at the cops, honk, and overtake them? Wait, you know what would be...
Superbrain
this is
says
crazy.
that Corrupt Converter I don't know about that.
You're allowed to pass emergency vehicles? You know what would be...
Converter says at Superbrain you're about to be 1984D.
You know what would be scary? Grand Theft Auto. Autobahn Edition. Just saying. didn't have to do all that. Times... Yeah, 9. I think...
Superbrain says, well, as long as they aren't using their... What's Sonder signal in English?
Oh my god.
Their special
Sonder signal. It's... Yeah, siren. That. I see.
Superbrain says that.
Rhubarbs. Tomatoes. Each row has the same number. Oh, they're not being planted together. I'm dumb. I thought they were like being mixed. But it's just separate. Jonas planning. Negative numbers represent points before the finish line. Positive numbers represent points after the finish line. There's a bridge at negative 91 meters and a restaurant. Oh, before the finish line. Okay, I could not get the last two wrong. Negative D. I guess this ends up being the same. Wait. Negative 7/8. Oops. And
Corrupt Converter says I'm praying to the Satan's
No, you're not. You're not. No, you're not. Don't. I thought. No, you're not. Former red tongue gas when there's traffic jam. Oh wait, that's very considerate of you. Creating a space from the pass through. I've never heard of such a maneuver. We do not do that. We just like block everything, and then whoever needs the emergency vehicle,
Converter says yes,
they can just die.
Index pointing down, medium dark skin tone, backhand 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 index pointing down, medium dark skin tone.
It didn't work. I finished. I did it. Okay. You know, the nice thing is, if I actually do Python right now, I already read, like, the only thing I didn't read is the instructions, so I read the, like, introduction thing. What is next in C#? What's next on the tree? The learn tree. If statements. Didn't I already use if statements, though, with the annalins, whatever?
Superbrain says, have you heard of the Reisversklusverfahren? Why can't I just keep talking about German traffic maneuvers?
Why is every noun in your language like the size of a book? You want it? Okay, let's look at it then. Sure, let's look at it. Let's see if I can do hello. Maybe I'll try to do hello world as fan service to you. But it'll probably be too hard. Oh, panagram. Sorry, I'm looking at the other stuff too. Convert color codes uses on resistors to a numeric value.
Superbrain says the funny thing is, I would call that the zipper move in English LUL.
Zipper move. Create implementation of the @bash cipher. Oh my god. An ancient encryption system created in the Middle East. Sorry. Programming language. Oh, I think I have to actually join the track. Lord have mercy. Can I just open it without joining? I have to join it. I have to actually join the whole track. Well, I guess I could. Arbitrarily long single word. I think they can.
Converter says in German, you can make an arbitrarily long single word, right?
The reason they can do that is because they are in German just like Japanese, is an agglutinative language. As opposed to, what's the opposite of that? It's, actually, I forgot the opposite. Hold on, what's my category? Software again. It's, I don't know. It was something like analytical, but I don't remember. Isn't a... Here,
Corrupt converter says isn't a what?
To language versus... That's not what I want. What? These are not what I want for the second part.
Jamie TD_02 says German isn't agglutinative, but it does have fusion.
Fusion. Keep linking nouns get really long. Okay.
Jamie TD_02 says as in you can just keep linking nouns together to get really long compound words.
I see. Fusional. Oh yeah, because then you would want like suffixes, but it's more like for nouns. In the case of German, I guess. But what's the thing I'm thinking of? It's like... What is it? I forgot.
Jamie TD_02 says yup.
Yeah. What am I thinking of? Like, English is a heavily... Like, what is it? I forgot. It basically where word order matters for grammar. What is it called? I forgot what it's called. You might know it, Jamie. Oh, no. Not that.
Jamie TD_02 says SVO.
Matters. It's 2 types of grammatical classification. Maybe I'll try typing that.
Superbrain says like the game coming to Steam soon.
With the...
Planetenverteidigungskanonen Kommandant.
Grammatical, maybe if I search, like, divide it 2 types.
Corrupt converter says whomstid vi liain tenti ed
I totally forgot what it is. I cannot remember the word at all. What is it? It's something like, it's not this, but it was something like analytical or something when word order matters. Like, I don't know. I don't know how to Google it. Get it. What is the name of... Did you just... Right, oh, you did a commutative?
Superbrain says commutative languages.
Languages where... It'll probably show up somewhere in... Oh my god, why is it so zoomed in?
Jamie TD_02 says fixed word order.
Wait, what happened to my Wikipedia? Why is that 500%? Okay. What do I want? What this?
Superbrain says must have zoomed in on some image at some point.
Oh, I did. That's true, I did. So, oh, like the cookies probably remembered it or something. When we were doing the flag quiz, I was zoomed in, that's true. This is, I think, what I want, actually. Maybe. There's a term like this. Yeah, it is analytic. So analytic versus synthetic, I think, is what it is. So English is analytic, so...
Corrupt converter
Yes.
says what prefecture is this? Zooms in on a random blue letter.
Yes. There was some German? Oh, what did you see? Okay, let's read about assembly. Assembly is the... Do you read this? X86? Is that what it's called? X86 64? Assembly is the programming language for the 64-bit version of the X86 instruction set.
Superbrain says some long word probably like that Steam game.
Oh, just like in the... Yeah. Oh, wait. You know, I guess I could read. What Wikipedia article was I on? Ugh. If I go into my history, does it just show the history for the incognito window? I don't actually know.
Corrupt Converter says okay, looks like they do Intel syntax nice.
Oh! Oh! From this. Nice. Rodata. Assembly is awesome. I see. Look how many things there are on the C# tree. And then there's like barely any in the Python one. There's like 5 topics in Python. Which is funny. Maybe it is because C# is a superior language. Like in the Python tree, it looks like this. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Corrupt Converter says
lereg.
MEM rightward arrow stores address indexed by MEM to red.
It stores the address index by the meme to reg. So much complicated stuff. Oh, maybe.
Superbrain says maybe it is because Python doesn't require so much complicated stuff.
Yeah. Even though it itself is like 300,000 layers of complication.
Corrupt Converter says which is kinda like the...
Oh, what does it... It is the... Oh, it is the... Oh, that's cool. Stores address...
Superbrain says yeah, all that complicated C.
Lost through all the way. So that Python can be the slowest moving snack ever. Little sister's vocabulary. Okay, learn about strings of helping your little sister with her vocabulary homework. Wait, this is... Oh, this is Python. Wait, why was I about to do the... Oh my god, I was... Oh, wait. Oh! I went down here to comparisons instead of going here to strings. This is fine.
Superbrain says alright, it's rather late again. I'm gonna head to bed soon.
Sleep is important. That's something Corrupt needs to learn, right, Corrupt? Sleep is important. It's important, Corrupt. Sleeping is important. To C# or to Python? COVID. Oh,
Corrupt Converter says.
Donate it, I see. Cars assemble. Wait, if learn about numbers by analyzing the production of an assembly line, but not the programming assembly, but actual
Corrupt
assembly.
Converter says for charity.
Charity. Numbers. There are 2 different types of numbers in C#. Integers, numbers with no digits behind the decimal separator. Whole numbers. Floating point numbers. Yay, our favorite. Numbers with 0 or more digits behind the decimal separator. The two most common numeric types in C# are int and double. An int is a 32-bit integer, double is 64-bit. Floating point number. Arithmetic is done using the standard arithmetic operators. Numbers can be compared using the standard numeric comparison operators and the equality and inequality operators. C# has two types of numeric conversions. More accuracy and a bigger range.
Corrupt converter says a double is a float but with more accuracy and a bigger range.
Cool. No data. No data will be lost. No additional syntax is required. Implicit, explicit. Data could be lost and additional syntax in the form of a cast is required. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. This feature. As an int has less precision. Oh yeah, it's about how much precision things have than a double. Converting from an int to a double is safe, and it's thus an implicit conversion. However, converting from a double to an int could mean losing data, so that requires an explicit conversion. If statements. In this exercise, you must conditionally execute logic. The most common way to do this in C# is by using an if-else statement. And the more else's and else-ifs you use, the stronger of a programmer you are. You have to use like many of them in a row. That's what you taught me. Corrupt
converter says you can define custom conversion operators in C.
Oh, wow. That's cool. It makes me sad that the TTS... Wait, this has a good example of vector in Unity too.
Corrupt converter says this also has a good example with vector in Unity too.
Convert a vector 2 to a vector 3. Ah, okay. I see.
Corrupt converter says you can convert a vector 2 to a vector 3 and vice versa.
Nice. But, oh, how they implement.
Corrupt converter says I have a gripe about how they did that though, unless they've since fixed it.
I see. If x is equal to 5, else if x is greater than 7, else. Condition of an if statement must be of type bool. C# has no concept of truthy values. Yep, no truthy here. Of type bool. Okay. Instructions. In this exercise, you'll be writing code to analyze the production of an assembly line in a car factory. The assembly line speed can range from 0 to 10 at its lowest speed, 1. 221 cars are produced each hour. The production increases linearly with the speed. So with the speed set to 4, it should produce 4 times 221, 884 cars per hour. However, higher speeds increase the likelihood that faulty cars are produced, which then have to be discarded. You have 3 tasks. Calculate the success rate. Do you think I can do this in one go without any...
Corrupt converter says I feel like vector 2, vector 3 should always return vector 3, but it's defined ambiguously.
You know what I should do?
Annoying errors that require you to do a cast.
Dude, I have an idea, Corrupt. I should add... I don't know if you can do this natively if you're an affiliate, but I know that like Stream Elements has a bot that has a feature where you can like make bets. Like the streamer can make bets with the viewers. Like obviously for fake currency, like silly. Unless you like set stuff you can buy with the currency in like stream rewards or whatever. But you can like make bets and the streamer can say things like, "Oh, do you think I'm gonna pass this level in half an hour?" And then people bet, and then the people who win the bet get like currency. That would be fun. Could be fun. But you know what? Do you think I can do this without making a single error? Like even once.
Corrupt
like
Converter says, I bet your life savings.
My life savings? Oh wait, that I can do this without making a single error? Ah, I love your confidence. Or like, oh yeah. Implement the static assembly line success rate method to calculate the ratio of an item being created without error for a given speed. Following table shows how speed influences success rate. Ratio of an item being created. My money, great.
Corrupt Converter says, yeah, it's good when I bet your money on this.
0, 0% success rate. 1 to 4, 100% success rate. 5 to 8, 90% success rate. 80 at 9, 77 at 10. 10. 0.7. Oh, this. See? Easy. I think I can finish these tasks and not. Like, even having a. Like. Where you mess up because the syntax is wrong and the compiler doesn't want to run it. Like, I think I can avoid all of those things. Calculate the production rate per hour. Implement the static assembly. Oh, wait, I know the word. The word I wanted to say was execute. Like, I'm sure I can write all the logic correctly in one go and also have it execute in one go. Assembly line production rate per hour method to calculate the assembly line's production rate per hour, taking into account the success rate. No. No. I don't want to code this assembly. No. That would be so hard. Production per hour method. Assembly lines. Production rate per hour. How do you know how many? Oh wait, didn't it say? Wait. Oh, well. Note that the value returned is a double. Oh, it did say 221 per hour. Okay. I just forgot. Calculate the number of working items produced per minute. Implement the static assembly line working items per minute. Method to calculate how many working cars are produced per minute. Someone. Yeah. Okay. Value returned is an int. Oh, because it's gonna be. Oh, yeah. Type. Converting types, but they didn't even give examples of implicit conversion or explicit conversion. How is that fair? Well, maybe all you need is implicit for this exercise, though. Wait, now I have doubts about if I can do this in one go. What happens when I click on this? Okay, this is literally the same thing I just read. Aww. And. Wait, maybe it's fine. Maybe everything's fine. Speed. Okay. Use. I'm kind of wondering, since it returns a double, can I just say 0? Should I do this just in case? I did. No, I didn't. I didn't run it yet. I'm gonna be successful. I'm not gonna fail it.
Corrupt Converter says, did you fail?
No, this is perfect. I can't fail. It's simple. It's easy. I can't fail it. There's no way. What's that? 90. Training Elsif is fun. The moon?
Corrupt Converter says, I'm not paying attention because the moon is looking at me.
It's okay, I got this one. I'm pretty sure I got this. But the moon? Do you have a good view of, like, from your window or whatever? Of the moon? Speed.
Corrupt Converter says, I have a moon.
A moon? What is a moon? Oh, is that your... Is that the name of one of your dogs? I remember right. I think you said moon or something. I don't know. It seems familiar.
Corrupt Converter says no.
Oh, okay. What is a moon? Wait, I'll run this first part and make sure. Okay, well, I already failed.
Converter says it's snowball, potato, squishy, mountain, aria, penny, and Maisie.
Well, yeah. Squishy's cute. Okay, yeah, I failed already because I didn't put any semicolons anywhere. I'm sad now.
Corrupt Converter says that's my 3 dogs' names.
Not bad. Okay. I'm sad now. But I am almost done with 6th grade, so thank God.
Corrupt Converter says give me your life savings. I bet your life savings on your failure.
No, you bet it on my success. Oh wait, and I failed. No, your life savings, not mine. Time. Which estimate number of passengers on the Orange Line train. Okay.
Corrupt Converter says no, I said specifically your life savings.
No. That's not how it works. Okay. What's this one? I've never met a person named Hurley before. Group of children with the table marked at 150. 71. 50. I forgot the difference between a histogram and a bar graph. Oh. The holes in a pool table are called pockets. I didn't know that. Ooh, what did I fail? What? Round it from... What? Oh. Nice. The potato.
Corrupt converter says I squished the potato.
I hate floating point numbers so much. Oh wait, maybe I'm supposed to change this. Even though they gave this to me, maybe it's wrong. Oh wait, I stopped doing that. God damn it. Wait, that won't matter. Never mind. Wait, what are they? 139.3. Oh no. Is it?
Corrupt converter says maybe your math is wrong.
Is it? What did instructions say? Wait. Is it just supposed to be 221? No. Oh, it's still doing the same thing. Okay. 4, it's 4. Does this matter? Oh, do I really have to factor that in? The ones that are faulty? I guess I do. I didn't think I had to. I didn't think it mattered. I thought for a sec, I thought it was supposed to only matter in number, I don't know why. For number 3. Okay. Higher speeds. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's why you said okay, yeah, because that's why I have the success rate thing. Okay. Fine. What was this? Wait, all I had to do was... What is it called? Success rate. Oh. Damn it. Let's get back. 9. Oh wait, it's 221. Wait, no. Wait, it's. I think I can do this. I think I can do it.
Solution.
Yes.
Backhand index pointing down, medium
That's the
dark
solution.
skin tone. Dot. Backhand index pointing down, medium dark skin tone.
21.
Dot. Backhand index pointing down, medium dark skin tone.
Well,
dot.
I definitely did not do this in one go.
Down,
so.
medium dark skin tone. Dot.
Wait, I don't think I even need parentheses. I hope this works. I'm sad now. What is it? Because you want the. Wait, the success rate. Well, wait, isn't that all I need?
Charisma says Yagataboyum Badijadiviba. Backhand index.
You guys all suck.
Dark skin tone. Dot.
Damn you.
Backhand index pointing down, medium dark
I
skin
can't
tone.
do math.
Dot.
You suck.
Backhand index pointing down, medium dark skin tone. Dot.
I didn't even know you were still here, Tara.
Medium dark skin tone. Dot.
I do, but isn't it supposed to multiply first? Wait, where am I? Okay. Wait, is it gonna change anything? It's still gonna be wrong. Oh no.
Corrupt converter says or actually.
Wait, what am I even doing? Success rate times. Do I even need this part at the beginning?
What are you doing here?
Yeah, this doesn't even make any sense. Well, the first part doesn't make any sense. But like, BF. What's I don't know what that is.
Converter says yeah, no, never mind. You don't need parenthesis. I was misreading.
Oh. I feel like corrupt. Terrace came in before you came in today for the first time. Terrace came in, and then the first thing he says is, "I want you to look at what's his name again, Terrace." And then remember, corrupt, you were like, "I want you to look at JS Duck," and he wants me to look at something else. Duck. But how many duck how many duck programming languages are there? Like God.
Charisma says brain F asterisk CK.
Success rate. Wait, am I calling it?
Charisma says it is just fun.
They're both scuffed, okay. But yeah, I thought he reminded me of you. I'm like, oh, maybe you two would get along because you guys really like the duck languages. Wait, actual 0 rounded from 0. Expected 221. Wait, 1. 1 gives. It should be 1. It became 0.
Charisma says at Corrupt Converter I wrote spreadsheet processor where you can write formulas using only BF.
This public. What's this return? What? I'm still gonna check commas. I mean, parentheses. Sorry. Yeah. And
Corrupt Converter says I should write a script to turn code into the JSFUC that I wrote.
1 times 221 is 0. Write a script turn code into the... How I did it. What?
Corrupt Converter says I just need to reverse engineer how I did it.
Wow. Oh.
Terra's Mazapa says, oh,
here?
Yeah, JSF asterisk CK is nice.
4.
Corrupt Converter says I have a 100k character alert, hello, in JSFUC.
See, I knew you two would get along. Oh god.
Corrupt Converter says using the symbols, $.
4 gives 1. But it's supposed to be percent. Oh. Wait, what? 1? 4 gives 1. But it should be 221. No, wait, they just want the number of cars. So the success rate doesn't matter. Oh wait, only up to 4. Because that was the condition. Okay, so... If... Yeah. This is so weird. I'll just put it in a variable. Why don't we do it? Wait. Speed. But wait. Oh wait, no. Hmm. One.
Corrupt Converter says, I think you're bad.
Thanks, Corrupt. I'm glad. God damn. Semicolons. Python has destroyed me. What? Another one? What? Actually, what? This time? What? 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 Where?
Eris
37
says, I think you're dad.
Oh, not Terra's thinking I'm a gamma male too. It doesn't seem to be working.
Corrupt Converter says, just an observation.
Wow.
But it doesn't seem to be working.
What an astute observation you have just made. I am surprised. I thought it was working. I thought it was working. But it appears not to be working. What is it asking? Error.
Eris says, honestly, CS is such a bad language, I find it impossible for people to learn.
What is CS? Where is the semicolon missing?
Corrupt Converter says, speed asterisk 221.
Thank you for following. Ever followed, like, even though I'm doing absolutely terrible because I'm bad. Like, this is just sad. This is sad. C sharp. Duh. I see.
Eris says C sharp, the
C
language
sharp
you are trying to learn.
Oh. Wait. Okay. I have, speed.
Corrupt Converter says you have speed asterisk 221, success rate.
Oh, you can't multiply like that, can you?
Syntax error.
Damn it. Oh. But why is it? This is weird. It says like semicolon expected. That's throwing me off. But maybe it just means. Oh yeah. Oh, that's it. That's that was the problem. This was the problem.
Corrupt Converter says I learned it as my first with minimal resources and no formal education.
Yes, because you're not that. You're OP. Okay, that error message was very misleading because I thought it had to do with the semicolon. Like, it's too much. But at least I figured out the math, right? Right? Do I get bonus points for figuring out the math? Even though I messed up the syntax again. Working items produced per minute. So then...
Corrupt Converter says yeah, misleading error.
Yay! Wait. Oh yeah, that was misleading. That's why I was stuck there for forever. Okay.
Terra's Mazeppa says at Corrupt Converter, laughing face, CS is full of them, laughing face.
Wait, I can just reuse what I just made and then convert it into minutes by multiplying by 60. Production rate.
Corrupt Converter says I mean it's not that wrong for it to assume that given how it was written.
Oh, really? Oh, let me think about that. So this was... Oh, like it almost thought I was supposed to put like a semicolon here or something like this? To the compiler, that's what it thought?
Corrupt Converter says putting a semicolon there would have been valid, and to the compiler it thinks that's what you missed.
Oh, that's cute. Of course it won't run correctly, but it'll at least... Well, it'll execute... Oh, wait, no. It didn't execute. it's even more confused.
Karis Mazapa says it could
Oh,
have
it's
said
because
that
of my
whole
thing.
line was something wrong, instead of suggesting invalid edit.
It's because I didn't do the... Okay, yeah, it does run. You're right. It was just... Now it was getting even more confused because I didn't finish what I was writing down here. That's cool. Okay, put this back. I just wrote production rate per house. I hate this. I hate it here. Oh wait, but this time.
Converter says, well, if it's not what it says by the analysis of your human brain, then it's obviously something else, but at least you know what line it is.
That's true. You're right. I'm learning things from this experience. It could have said that whole line was something wrong instead of something invalid edit. Oh, that's true, yeah. It could have just said error in line 37. But I need to return in. This returns production rate per hour is a double. So this will return a double. So this needs to be an int. But it never taught me how to do explicit casting, because I think I have to do explicit casting.
Corrupt Converter says, and those suggestions do save time.
What suggestions? C#. Double A equals int x. Okay. Thought it was something like that.
Corrupt Converter says, just verify or rule out the suggestion with a quick glance, and it doesn't cost too much time.
I see. Oh yeah, they can help you identify it quicker, and then if you rule it out, then it's something else. I see. Oh, yeah.
Corrupt Converter says, remember that the compiler's suggested fixes aren't always right because the compiler doesn't know 100% of what you're trying to accomplish.
Yep, that's what I learned from this lesson, what you just said. Like, that's true. The code doesn't know what I want. It just wants to make the code valid. And follows, yeah. You're right. You're 100% right. I only have, what did I have left here? I'm going to go back to the code. 1 second. Hey, corrupt. Wait, what time is it? 8:52. When I finish this, when I finish what I'm doing here, and then I go finish 6th grade so that I'm done 6th grade forever, do you want to play? Just curious. Yay! Okay. Because it's fun.
Corrupt Converter says, sure.
Next Steam sale. If I can afford it, I won't say it, hopefully. But if I can afford it, I would like to be able to get, hopefully there'll be like a good, it'll drop. Like a decent amount. But if I can get like Lethal Company and GTFO, then we could like play those. I mean like a big Steam sale. I mean the summer or winter one. Well, summer's over, so I guess that would be winter. But yeah. Okay, what was I doing again? I think I can just do this, right? Oh, semicolon.
Corrupt Converter says GTFO was on a 33% sale until yesterday.
But that's not a big drop. Wait, what does SteamDB say? I want a good job, not like a small discount. What's the highest it drops? Maybe maybe it is 33%, but what the? That's not what I wanted. Price history. 33% is not good. I want the 50. Damn, it was free. But yeah, I want the 50. See, this is a small sale. You want it to drop as low as possible. I love SteamDB. It's so useful. So I have no regrets. Okay, why did this fail? Expected 3. Actual expected 3. Working items per minute. Per minute. Oh, not in total, like just per minute. Wait, what does that mean? So this is returning the total amount. Oh, more math stuff. Maybe I should have just made like a whole entire new thing. Am I supposed to reuse stuff?
Converter says GTFO will be a great way to spend 3 to 4 hours on one level.
I know. Based on what you told me, it just takes forever. Per minute. Wait a second, that means... Because this is... Oh wait, this is per hour. Division? See, I told you I mix up multiplication and division. That's bad. That's I'm bad. That's like they're literally the opposite. Just don't. I know. Just don't. Just don't do it. Just don't mix those two up. But I do.
Converter says just don't.
At least I solved it though. But still, like, damn. Damn. For a minute. Processing. I've learned 2 concepts. Yay.
Corrupt Converter says, can we play Elden Ring together?
I don't have Elden Ring. I mean, that would be fun to get, but that's expensive, and that game doesn't drop, really. Wait, didn't you say you didn't even play Elden Ring that much or something? Did you say that? I don't remember. What time is it again? Oh wait, 8, 9, 12. Oh, so it's only like 12 for you. Oh, you don't think...
Converter says, I don't think I said that.
Oh, lol. Did you finish the game? There's no vacation days you spent by even played last year. Clusters, gaps, and peaks.
Corrupt Converter says, I have beaten the game, yes.
Oh, nice. 8 to 12. Oh, this again. I played it a while.
Corrupt Converter says, but I haven't played it in a while, so I forget a lot of things.
I see. But isn't it like an open world? It's like an open world version of Dark Souls. Like, that's what they were going for. Like, it's Dark Souls-like, But they want it more of like an open worldy type of Dark Souls. Home runs. 1 home run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait. 8, 9, 10. 14, 15, 16. Okay, get a calculator, so.
Corrupt Converter says plays like Dark Souls but yeah more open world.
Divided by 4. Let me do this again.
Corrupt Converter says so to me it does kind of feel like another Dark Souls wiki I like.
Yeah. I'm not a big fan of open world games because it's really boring walking from point A to point B.
Corrupt Converter says question.
Like, I don't like walking. Question, what was the answer to question 5? What? Oh, I really hope question 17 says that. That's not, that's like the stupid memorization game in Welcome to the Game. Like, that's not even fair. That's just wrong. It's not right. It's not right. They wouldn't do that. I didn't have to actually do that. Like, I could have just did that in my head, but I'm not thinking. 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 3.
Corrupt Converter says Zaheda be like.
5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 3. 2. 2. I have to do that. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1. Is this what you do, I think? Yeah. Oh, wait, no. Zaheda? What's Zaheda? Data punch one guess. Convene data set 7. Volume.
Corrupt Converter says website.
Oh. This would be... Seven. Think about this. Oh, divided by 4. Pretty much. A puzzle game requiring you to do things like look at the... Oh, that's cool.
Corrupt Converter says pretty much a puzzle game, requiring you to do things like look at the HTML and inspect element.
That's cool. This? Oh yeah, you did say website. Designed for Firefox. This seems hard. Oh, Zaheda does things. You're saying like on question 17, they might be like, what was the answer to question 5? Wait a second. There was something like this a long time ago. Like, in the URL. Oh, wow.
Corrupt Converter says you have to type the solutions in the URL to go to next level.
What was it called? It was called, what was this game? It was an old Flash game, I think. But wait, no, was it? Oh wait, no, it was an app. But was it Flash?
Converter says, can you click begin?
It was. Oh, wait, I have a question for you. Corrupt. I have a question for you. If you can answer it without looking up anything, obviously. No looking up stuff. Wait, do you accept my terms and conditions not to look up anything? It's a math question. Oh, maybe it was the impossible quiz. Yeah. This is another, like, thing.
Corrupt Converter says the impossible
Oh, you know
quiz.
what the impossible quiz is? No way. This is old. This is, like, way... You know the possible quiz?
Corrupt Converter says ask me the question.
Okay, do you agree to the terms? You must agree to terms and conditions. It was definitely the impossible quiz. It's such a classic. What is Brotherman Bill?
Corrupt Converter says Brotherman Bill.
What? What? 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 28. Eight. And then what? The
Corrupt Converter says the Brotherman Bill is the brother living at the top of the hill. Ha da 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 da.
Damn it. Trick or treat James had each year. Two. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But if you can answer my math question correct, then I won't go grab some food right after I'm done this test. Well, make some food. More like make some food. And then eat some food. 2, 1, 2. 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Uh-huh. No, I asked if you would just...
Converter says you haven't asked me the math question. How am I supposed to answer it?
No, if you get it right, then we'll just immediately, when this is over, go play. Otherwise, I'll go grab some food. Cook some food. And then come back, obviously, though. Hamburgers. I feel like some burgers. I mean, I'm an American.
Converter says steak.
But yeah, I asked not to look anything up. It's a question, okay, but I'll tell you one thing. It's a question I can answer. Like, it's a question I can do. So it's not hard. You know, just normal stuff, ketchup, mayo, that's it.
Converter says, what do you put in your burgers?
You gonna measure the mass of each point makes cash kilograms. Wait, how does it go? It goes, there are... Oh, I remember how it goes.
Corrupt Converter says you are not a true American. I didn't hear French fries in that list.
Not everyone just has French fries in their house. But I don't even like French fries. that much. But yeah, you agreed not to look anything up? 2, 3, 4.
Corrupt Converter says you're not an American.
The master's promise passion kilograms. You write both history and box. Display the same data. Number pumpkins mess.
Corrupt Converter says I need the question to answer the question.
You do, but just don't immediately, just don't type it into Google. Because that's cheating. You at least have to try to answer it. I mean, I think you will. But then it's no fun.
Corrupt Converter says there's fine print in that contract.
That was not in the contract.
Me to give up my testicles to proceed, and I don't consent to that yet.
There was not fine print that said anything like that. It was just don't throw it into Google. Because if you can't get the answer, I'll just tell you the answer. Okay, fine. Ready? Okay, so I'll repeat. I will.
Converter says, yeah, sure.
Mm-hmm. I'll repeat the question as many times as you need, because you do have to listen closely. It's not long, okay? And it's like a riddle type of question. That's the only hint you're gonna get, but it's not hard. Like, I can solve it. Think about that's actually a huge hint. Think about my math ability and the fact that I can solve it. So ready? Here it goes. There are 20 cows in the field. 28 chickens. How many didn't? That's the question. I'll just let you think about it. Which is been confused for maximum mass. This one's really good. Alright, maximum mass, so mass plot. 25 pumpkins in Leonard's patch. Yep, that's exactly what I said. Yep. There are 20 cows in...
Converter says 20 cows in.
That's the question.
Field. 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Exactly. There are 20 cows in the field, 28 chickens. How many didn't? You're like, what? That's a normal reaction. Which is what can be used to find that there were 25 pumpkins in Leonard's patch. That there were 25 in Leonard's patch. Histogram. No. Which of the following grass represents the fruit with the greatest typical number of acres? Also, by the way, I'll just, even if you don't get the answer, I'll still play with you. Because you're making a good attempt. I'll just get food after we're done playing. But yeah. 20 cows.
Converter says 20 cows in the field. 28 chickens.
Oh, that's what
How
your question
many
is? That's not how you spell. That's not how you. That's not how you spell didn't. You silly goose. Oh, is that how you're interpreting this? Chick-ins? How many did in? No. I will say, okay, there is something you're doing right and there's something you're doing wrong. There's your hint. You have the your execution is wrong, like completely wrong. But you're on the right train of thought. Does that make sense? Like what your strategy is right, but your execution is like wrong. So if you backtrack just like a little bit, and think, and actually just don't think too hard about it, and you might get the answer. Like if you think too hard, you might confuse yourself. You're good. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. So now the answer's really easy.
Corrupt converter says 28.
Yeah, that's all it is. So then how many didn't? Which of the following fruit with the greatest typical number of acres? Wait, it's not 0.
Corrupt converter says 0.
Oh yeah, it is. Oh wait, I did it was supposed to be there are 30 cows in the field. My bad. That's how it originally goes. But you're right, it is 0, the way I asked it. Yes. It should have been there are 30 cows in the field. 28 chickens, how many didn't? So it would have been 10, but that was my bad. Okay, you're right though. 0 with how I asked it. You win. Yeah.
Corrupt converter says okay, so I'm good, I win, right?
You win. A winner is you. If 30 cows, then 10, yeah. But that's a fun thing to ask people randomly. I recommend just going up to random people and visiting random streamers and just being like, hey, there are 30 cows in the field, 28 chickens, how many didn't? And watch the fun. Yeah, I am going to start, but it's okay.
Corrupt converter says cool, you're starving tonight.
I'll be fine. Grasses from the fruit with the greatest typical number of acres. Area of grapes, area of peaches, what? Wait, acres? That's not area, it's acres, number of farms. Yes. Oh, typical number. Greatest typical. So, wait, that's at 0. Wait, I'm dumb. Never mind, I didn't see that.
Corrupt converter says you're gonna be eating revenant asshole for dinner in Phosmo.
Damn it. Revenants are really hard to kite. No, I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die at all. I am too good at Phasmo to die. Oh, speaking of death and dying and death and death. Did you ever see, Here, let me open it. Look. I don't think you realize this happened because I'm on push to talk, and I don't think I pushed to talk at this particular time. But, wait, hold on. But look, I made a clip from yesterday when we played Phasmo. Where is my clip? Aha, I found it.
Corrupt converter says I think the only time I died was when you fucked my Ouija board and summoned a ghost on us.
That was an accident. Oh, I should clip that, shouldn't I? I didn't think about that. Adding that as a clip. That was a good moment. You enjoyed that. I'll clip that. I'll clip that one too. But here, this happened.
Salttoserenity says HTTPS://
Okay, shut up, TTS. But yeah, this happened last night. Lol. It happened when you walked away from me. And you left me all alone. But then again, you did need to go turn the breaker on. Inconvenient.
And right now.
I think it's was hard.
Corrupt Converter says I'm on phone.
Greatest number of acres. Wait, that should open on phone. Do you not have Twitch on your phone? Oh wait, your phone's old and it's also an Android, not an iPhone. Oh, you do. It should just open it in Twitch. It's just a clip.
Corrupt Converter says I have Twitch on my phone.
Who the greatest typical number of acres? Maybe it is this one. Typical number. I don't know. This is not fair because this is, look how close these are. They're so close to each other. But this one has more 0. I mean, it's obviously not number 3. I don't like this. I feel like this is not fair.
Corrupt Converter says okay, well it'll close stream to open it, so.
Oh, okay. You won't be gone for long. It's literally like 10 or 15 seconds. So don't worry. I'll just keep being confused on this question. Stupid question. I hate this question. It has to be this one. It has to be. Peaches. More cherry pies. I have 69 cherries and 119. What the hell? I'm just gonna mark them off. 1, 2, 3. Four to 8. 5. That plot showed the number of people per table at a bingo hall on 2 nights. Each shot represents one of the 20 tables. On Tuesday. Good and healthy? Bro, I almost...
Converter says that's a good healthy scream.
I almost had a heart attack and died. You don't feel bad? You should be like, you poor thing. I'll protect you. I won't let the ghosts go near you.
Corrupt Converter says you hear that scream. You know goose things are happening.
What? Oh my god. I feel like I should be more afraid of you over the ghost. Oh my god. You know, maybe it's good I accidentally broke the Ouija board that one time. Because remember when we were trying to leave that building? What was it?
Corrupt Converter says no. A girl would do that. A guy just finds comedy in tragedy.
Comedy and tragedy. Remember when we were on the asylum and you know, I wanted to leave and you just kept breaking all the goddamn cursed objects, extending the hunt, like... Good memories. There were more people per table on. Oh yeah, Tuesday.
Corrupt Converter says there is no asylum map in Phosmo for a while.
No. Well, Sunny Meadows is an asylum. It's Sunny Meadows Asylum. But not the old asylum, yeah.
Corrupt Converter says they should bring back the asylum map.
Oh, I've heard a lot of comments of people online saying they would wish they could play in the old asylum map. I don't even know what it was like. So I don't know why didn't they remove it for I think they removed it for like technical reasons. I've heard people say. Insym has videos on it.
Corrupt Converter says Insym has videos on it.
16, 28. So obviously not D.
Corrupt Converter says just fix the technical reasons for head.
Oh wait, I need to find the median. 2, 3, 22. This one is not this one, not this one. Poseidon? Oh yeah, just fix it.
Says Sidon.
Right, just fix it. If create problem, then just don't. Touchdowns each quarterback in the boys football league threw. 25% of quarterbacks in the football league threw fewer than what number of touchdowns? You can throw a touchdown? I thought you had to like run with the ball and literally touch down. Anyway. Do fewer than 7?
Corrupt Converter says PS rightward arrow SSS sound.
PS... what? Oh, Satan? Tanya is a car saleswoman. Below are a number of cars that she sold in each of the past 6 months. Using this data, create a dot plot where each dot represents a month. Okay. Four, 5, 6. I'm missing one.
Corrupt Converter says my Lord and Savior Sidon.
Oh. Yes. You are always praying to Satan. 23. Wait, what am I missing? Oh, 2 20s. The following frequency table shows the number of lives each person will for a charity event. Medium. I think I can just do this with making tally marks. Medium. 1, 2. So 14.5. Because it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Of course I have to do this. I need a calculator though. Oh my god. When operating with saved data in, say, a game. Oh, a
Converter
challenge
says
question?
when operating with saved data in, say, a game, which do you think is easier to save and work with? Plain text saved data, or raw binary saved data?
Nice. So I have a 50% chance of getting this right. Okay. So, I haven't decided on my answer yet, but reasoning through this, here's my train of thought. My intuition wants me to say plain text save data, but I feel like you would think that answer is obvious and it's a trick question. Oh, yeah. So we know what they both are. Yeah.
Corrupt converter says
kind of
assuming
don't.
you know what they both are.
But I can make a guess. But my other intuition says that you would ask that because it's a trick question, because you want me to say plain text save data, and the answer would actually be binary. So, which one do I want to go with? Let me think.
Corrupt converter says plain text rightward arrow. You can open it with the text editor and change the saved data.
So plain text, right? Is this a trick? Well, I'm going with plain text.
Corrupt converter says it be stored in like a JSON format or something.
If you're baiting me, then I fell for the bait, because plain text is my answer. Am I right? Oh, I thought this was a trick question. Oh my god.
Corrupt converter says plain text is.
I hate you. Damn it, I took the goddamn... I knew it was probably bait, too. That's actually so interesting, though. Tell me. Tell me why. Why is that? Plain text harder to work with. Isn't it nice that you can change things whenever you want? Sniff. I took the bait. I'm sad. That was mean. Plain text is harder to work with.
Corrupt converter says plain text is easier if you want the user to be able to read and edit it.
Of course. Why would you not want the user to read and edit their saved data? Oh, but for the code. Damn it. Okay.
Corrupt converter says
but easier
but for the code, raw binary is easier to handle.
For the code, yeah. I see. Because less parsing.
Corrupt converter says because much less parsing needs to be done.
That was a cool... I like that question. But did you know... I don't know. I just think it's really interesting. Saving data. Like, that's something I never really learned how to do. Yet, I never made it to the point in Unity where I learned how to, like, oh, how do you save player data? And it didn't really matter when you're making, like, WebGL games that aren't supposed to save. They're just, like, little experiences. But, I don't know. That's really cool. The idea of, like, saving stuff. And then, you know, being able to, like, load that save. I don't know. That's exciting to me. I want to learn how to do those things. And write to files and stuff. And read them. 10.5. Wait. I hope I didn't F up. I gotta be really careful, because I'm almost at the end. I don't want to screw this up. 6, yeah. 12. 9. 15. Divided by 4.
Corrupt converter says it's just storing data from various values in the code to a file and then later on reading it and putting all the values in the file to their corresponding variables.
But isn't that so cool? That's literally, like, so cool. I still think it's cool. Because it's like even when the game's not running, your data is still saved. Well, the values are saved somewhere, like on the, you know, in the long-term memory. It's cool. gave birth to 3 kittens who each had a different weight between 147 and 159 grams. And the cat gave birth to a 4th kitten that weighed 57 grams. How will the birth of the 4th kitten affect the mean and median? Oh, yeah.
Corrupt Converter says if I can find my code, I can maybe pull up an example of storing binary save data that I made in class.
Oh, that's cool. Wait, your school actually gave you an assignment to save data? That's so cool. Oh, you just did it anyway, but it's... Wait, what?
Converter says no.
It is cool. Okay, wait. I have a question for you. What was the worst project they ever gave you for coding, and what was the best project? Like, in your opinion. You can define worst and best however you see fit. Decrease, but the mean will decrease by more. How much percent of our quesadillas? Toby's talk was 8. From least to greatest. No making mistakes.
Corrupt Converter says the worst project was probably when they tried to have us make an entire website with subpages and everything for a fictional restaurant that we also had to come up with everything for.
Oh, because they made you do a bunch of extra work, not just like coding, but it's like now you have to come up with ideas for like, what will the restaurant serve? I actually hate when like classes give assignments that make you do like a bunch of things like that. And it's supposed to be fun, but when you make someone do it, it's not fun. Things are only fun when you want to do them. Yeah, that sounds...
Corrupt Converter says because it was just far too big and annoying of a project for any of us to do.
Sounds big and annoying. And they drawn out. I wouldn't want to do that project. Of the data set.
Corrupt Converter says as for best, I don't know honestly.
I forgot if when you do interquartile range if you include... Wait, I really don't want to get it wrong. I forgot if you include the median when you start like counting back, or if you like exclude the median or not when you start. Let's see. I'm gonna look at the example and make sure I do it right. There's the median. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, you exclude it. Okay. So then, 1. Okay, so the median's this 1. Oh yeah, interquartile range, okay. 1/4. And 5/4.
Corrupt Converter says this is the last question.
Yeah, that's why I was so careful on it. I'm like, you know what, it's not worth it. It's not worth repeating, and I wanna play with you. So it's worth being careful. Yay. Hey, I'm actually done for real this time. It's 6th grade. Now, next time I do math, it will be 7th grade. when I'm missing like all the things. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. And it will definitely be harder. Yeah. What? Wait, really? No.
Says, oh, hey, you have another 30
No.
question thing to do, it said.
No. This is 10. This is 13. 14. 10. See? 10. 15. There's no 30. It's all good. These ones don't show number. You must have been imagining things. You probably saw the 13. Wait. Oh my god. You probably saw the 13. But yeah. Why am I level 5? I was level 17 earlier.
Corrupt Converter says it wasn't 13.
It had to be. Oh, well, or I don't know. Maybe it was the 15? I mean, that's the highest one. The highest one is 15. Or 16. Yeah. This is actually not bad. This looks... Well, the amount of things is, like, not as bad. For the unit test, at least. Compared to, like... Because probably the questions are harder. That's why they're not giving me, like, 30 questions. Because, you know, it's harder in 7th grade. Sniff. Wait, what level is my total account? Oh, 39. They added a level bar now. Hooray. Okay. Well, you ready to play, or do you need some time to, like, set up and, you know, use the bathroom and stuffs? What?
Corrupt
The
Converter
thing?
says give me like 8 minutes. I have to do the thing.
You mean like pet the potato? Okay. Sounds good. Well, just send me a message on Discord when you're ready, and I'll go get my desktop ready too for us to play. I'll go plug in my Ethernet cord and stuff. So yeah, I'll end the stream here. I can't learn assembly.
Corrupt Converter says in the meantime.
I can't learn assembly in 8 minutes, bro. I can't. I have skill issues. I can't do that. You could learn assembly in 8 minutes. Probably. If you had wanted to back in the day. But I can't.
Corrupt Converter says yes you can.
Okay. I'll see you after you do the thing.